So you see the news about Google firing their whole Python development team. Now you're concerned, you're trying to figure out, hey, am I next? If Google employees can get laid off, I can get laid off too. Rod, help me out. Is the AI gonna take my job? Am I wasting my time? All of these are valid questions, guys, and valid concerns that we can address for you guys. But if you don't, you will get caught in the crossfire and you will be laid off with no plan, sitting out in the cold, and your life will be dramatically affected, guys. And we really need you guys to get better at being able to have a plan to actually get started. Nobody's safe during a layoff. I'm gonna get that squared away right now. Nobody's safe. It's just a matter of being able to recover if you get laid off and be prepared, even if you are pretty sure your job's gonna be okay. Just being prepared so that you're not get caught flat-footed. Obviously, when you actually work with the DigiLink community, we make sure you're good to go and everything's gonna be good. But